Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kat. This video is a play-along video if you are practicing the basic 12-bar blues in the key of C. Ukulele Wine Time! To play the basic blues, you just need the 1, 4, and the 5 chord in any major key. In our key of C, we're going to use C. That's our 1 chord, but we're going to add the 7, so C7. F is our 4 chord, C, D, E, F, 4th note in the scale, makes it our 4th chord. We're going to put a 7 on that as well, F7. And then G is our 5 chord, C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th note of the scale, makes it our 5 chord. Throw a 7 on there as well, so we've got G7. So we're just going to play the basic blues form today. There are lots of variations, and we actually did a whole lesson on the blues over on my Patreon site. As a worksheet, we played a song, practice exercises, lots of good stuff over there. Did 4 different keys if you want to learn with me more and take a deeper dive. But for today, we're just going to do 4 choruses or 4 playthroughs of the blues form, those 12-bar blues. Super quick walkthrough of the chord progression, and then we'll get into it. So we've got 4 bars of C7. So you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C7, not that fast. Then we go to the 4 chord for 2 measures, so F2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4. Then back to C7 for 2 bars. Then we go to G7 for 1 measure, F7 for 1 measure, back home to C. Now, if we're done, if the song is over, we will end on C7, not C. But if you're going to go around again, which we're going to go around a couple times, then you'll play G7 for the last measure, the 12th measure, and that lets your ear know and your band's ear or your friend's ear know that you're going to go around again. All right, strumming, there's tons, infinite variations you could do. I'm going to start out simple with just 1 downstroke per chord for the first chorus. Then I'm going to do quarter notes, so 4 downstrokes per chord. And then I'm going to do a variation. I'm going to do down, down, up. Once again, that's down, down, up, down, up. Or down, up, down, up. Once again, that's down, up, down, up. But the point is just for us to jam together, so you play what you want to play. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing. All right, here we go. 4 choruses. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there you have it, 4 choruses of the blues. Let me know if you like this style of video. I would like to do more keys for you to practice in. Over in our Patreon lesson, we did the key of C, D, G, and A. So let me know if you'd like to see more play along videos. All right, thanks so much for taking time out of your day to play some music and get creative. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.